Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Hawaii. I'm back in my home water. So as for today's fishing, I'm gonna collect some bait fish, the small mackerel or hopefully anchovy, and then go for live bait fishing, targeting big yellowtail and flounder. So let's get started. Now it's only a minute from our home marina and we have tons of bait fish here. Okay, so let's collect some fish. Okay, sabiki. The jack mackerel. All jack mackerel. Flounder's favorite. Yeah. There they are.
These are called aji in Japanese.
Okay.
They are actually very tasty fish. You better bring some back after fishing. Good for sashimi, and the fish burger is my favorite.
So now I'm heading to that channel over there. It's between Awaji Island and Wakayama. It's called Kitan Channel. It's about 20 minutes from here. Okay, so let's get this live bait fishing started. And I'm gonna set up the rig. This is what I'm gonna use, Daiwa reel. It costs like only 50 bucks. Very cheap reel, but I think it works enough. This rod is also not very expensive. It costs like only 200 bucks. It's a local brand.
Now I'm targeting 20 pounders, yellowtail or flounder at Kitan Channel. As for the rig setting, I'm using 30-pound leader for 3.2 feet, and the live bait is medium-sized jack mackerel.
Okay, let's get started. Let's go. From the nose hole. Now it's an outgoing tide, so the tide is coming from inside of this bay to this channel. So it's a good condition for this spot. And the drifting speed is about 1.2 knots. So I'm gonna drift my boat from here to here. This is the spot. So let's see what I'm gonna catch. Come on. Hey. So first hit of today. Gotta be really careful. Gotta catch this. And come back home. Must be big. It must be big. Come on. What's this? Come on. Probably a big yellowtail. No, not that way, not that way, not that way. Come on. Easy. Easy, easy. Come on. Come on. No. No. Okay. He got tired. He seems to be tired already. Okay. It's my turn. Easy. Come on. Easy. Come on. Hey, come on. Get your head up. Get your head up. All right. No. Come on, give up. Give up, man. Come on. Whew. It's fun. Oh yeah. Don't come off. All right. Easy. Very easy. Yes. Still taking drag. Oh, powerful, man. So powerful. Yeah. Come on, man. Oh, no. Come on. Easy. Come on. Okay. Leader. It's almost there. All right. Seems to be big. Yep. It's big. Wanna see? Here. Can you see him? All right. He's done. Come on. All right. You're in the nets. Okay. All right. There you go. Not Let's bleed him and dispatch. Okay. Dame. And the tail. Good shot. All right. Let's get her. Hey. Okay, it's done.
So let's prepare this fish. This scaling technique is called tsukibiki because it gives less damage to fish. A lot of chefs in Japan do this. And also it's good for some cook with skin on. The head is also usable for some cook, so I'm gonna take it off. And the collars as well. We can make some buri kama, the grill collar. Now work on filleting the fish. Cut off the rib cage because we use this part as well for some cook.
So I'm gonna make some poke rice. Okay, soy sauce, mirin, and garlic, ginger and garlic. Probably this one is not. Frozen ginger. And wasabi. This is the ultra part. Dice cut. And sauce. let it breathe in the fridge for maybe about an hour or two. Tempura. Avocado. Yamaimo, sticky potato. Soy sauce. Rice. And shiso leaves. Marinated yellowtail for 2 hours. Let me try. This must be awesome. It's too good.